I have a long and winding path. My PhD is in linguistics from Stanford. And previous to that, I did a master's degree in Cambridge in England on computational linguistics and speech recognition. Those have influenced my career in the sense that there was a lot of data analysis. There was quantitative and qualitative work. My dissertation was actually qualitative. I studied an online chat room. But during that process, I became very interested in data analysis. So the social network of people in the chat room, who talked to who privately, the kind of language they used, and the way that the electronic system changed how they talked. So today, I work on natural language processing. I work on data visualization in order to continue that process of data mining. You have a data collection, you want to know what's in it, profile it, find an insight, and then communicate those insights. So there's visualization at all of those processes. And I have a particular interest in text data because of my linguistics. While I was in graduate school at Stanford, there was an excellent computer science department there. And, well, many of the departments there are good, but there were a couple of very good faculty who worked on human-computer interaction, so how people interact with computers. And because I was studying people in a chat system, this is fundamentally a human-computer interaction system. It's a socio-technical system. So I was taking classes there at the same time as working on my dissertation. So I was very lucky to have an interdisciplinary background. After grad school, I went to Bell Labs and I worked on research around chat system and chat system design, and I became even more interested in the design side of software. And the first .com boom was going on, so I actually left my research job and went to work in industry in Silicon Valley, working as a UI designer to actually create the interfaces of products people use. For me, I'm not an artist originally. I'm a problem solver. So for me, design is about solving a problem. It's solving a problem for people with constraints and finding the simplest but best solution given those constraints and those people who will use the design. I have a contract right now with an AI company in England, and I'm doing data analysis and data design around some natural language processing problems for them. So I absolutely still work in industry. I probably won't stop that because I think that's an important part of retaining relevance, real-world knowledge, and passing that on to students. Well, so data visualization has a long history of being a successful tool for convincing people of things, for showing insights in data. It's not going away because it's been around for hundreds of years. France is, in fact, particularly famous for early data visualization work. Minard, Breton, there are a bunch of famous French visualization innovators. No, it's not going away. It's a better way than text for some people to see information, and especially with interactive tools where we can actually look at the data ourselves and see what we find interesting in it. It's only becoming more interesting to the average person as well as to the designer and developer.